Question number 9th, given a quadratic equation, P and Q are the roots of the quadratic equation x square minus alpha minus 2 into x. I have written here minus common, alpha plus 1 is equal to 0. We know for a quadratic equation the sum of the roots will be given by minus b upon a minus b upon a, and the product of the root will be given by c upon a. He is saying P and Q are the roots of the equation. So we can say P plus Q will be equal to minus b upon a will be only alpha minus 2 because a is 1. Minus 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 will make it plus alpha minus 2 upon 1 minus b upon a, and PQ, P and Q are the roots, so their multiplication PQ will be equal to C upon A will be minus alpha plus 1. So this is P plus Q, this is P into Q. Sum of the root is minus b upon a and the product of the root is c upon a. Now what we have is we need to evaluate the minimum possible value of p square plus q square. We need to minimize this value. We know p square plus q square can be written as, it is this complete expression can be written as p plus q ka whole square minus 2pq. So we have p plus q as alpha minus 2 whole square is p plus q is basically alpha minus 2 and pq is p plus q is alpha minus 2. So we have substituting here alpha minus 2 and p into q is minus of minus will make it plus 2 into alpha plus 1. P square plus q square is p plus q whole square minus 2pq. We already have the value of p plus q with us, so we can substitute here p plus q is alpha minus 2 whole square. We are finding out this value, p square plus q square is p plus q whole square minus 2pq. So we have p plus q whole square alpha minus 2 whole square plus minus and minus 2pq will be 2 alpha plus 1 minus and minus, substitute this value pq as here, so it is plus 2 alpha plus 1. So here we have alpha square minus 4 alpha plus 2 alpha, which will be alpha square minus 2 alpha minus 4 alpha plus 2 alpha is minus 2 alpha plus 4 and plus 2 will be equal to 6, which I can directly write it as alpha minus 1 whole square plus 5. This is alpha minus 1 whole square plus 5. This is the value of p square plus q square. We have p square plus q square is equal to p plus q whole square minus 2pq. P plus q we have and pq we have. Substitute the value, will get p plus q whole square is coming out to be alpha minus 1 whole square plus 5. Now he is asking what is the minimum value of p square plus q square. P square plus q square can be written as alpha minus 1 whole square plus 5. It is an absolute perfect square plus 5. Any perfect square cannot be negative. The least value any perfect square can attain is 0. The least value which this expression will attain is 0 when alpha will be equal to 1. The least value p square plus q square is attained. Any perfect square cannot be negative. The least value which alpha minus 1 whole square can attain is 0 when alpha will be equal to 1. The least value this expression can attain is 0, and so least value which p square plus q square is attain is 5. Otherwise something positive is always going to be added on to 5. This perfect square cannot be negative, so some positive quantity is always going to be added on to 5. This number cannot be negative. In order to make p square plus q square as least, we need to put alpha minus 1 whole square as 0. The least value any perfect square is attained when it is 0. It is 0, and the minimum value of p square plus q square, that's why minimum value will come out to be 5. because any perfect square cannot be negative. The least value this term can attain is any perfect square can attain is 0. So the least value which p square plus q square can attain is